Hi guys, I was gifted these toolbox tags from the seller so I can show you how great they are. So if you want to organize your toolbox, you just need to get you tags so then you know where everything's at. So my wrenches, I know are right here. Now these are magnetic back. So if you got a steel toolbox, it'll work perfect for you. If you need a little tape, double-sided tape, they give you a whole pack full of them. So if you want to tape them on instead of just using the magnet, you got that right there. So all you do is you take them and you put them right below the drawer handle. So I know my wrenches go right there. My sockets are up here at the top. My pliers are right here. Power tools. I'm going to go ahead and put them all on my box and show you what they look like. So they look great on my toolbox. The color matches perfectly. And since they're all magnetic, they're just really easy to stick on and put them where you need them. So if you guys are wanting to organize your toolbox like me, go ahead and get these magnetic name tags. It's going to work out great on your toolbox. Thanks.